So here are some specific examples of what we can't do today. And part of speech tagging is still not easy to do 100% correctly. So in the example of he turned off the highway versus he turned off the fan, and the two offs actually have somewhat different syntactic categories. And also it's very difficult to get the complete pausing correct. Again, the example, a man saw a boy with a telescope, can actually be very difficult to pause depending on the context. Precise deep semantic analysis is also very hard. For example, to define the meaning of own precisely is very difficult in a sentence like John owns a restaurant. So the state of the art can be summarized as follows. Robust and general NLP tends to be shallow, while deep understanding does not scale up. For this reason, in this course, the techniques that we cover are, in general, shallow techniques for analyzing text data, to mine text data. And they are generally based on statistical analysis. So they are robust and general, and they are in the category of shallow analysis. So such techniques have the advantage of being able to be applied to any text data in any natural language about any topic. But the downside is that they don't give us a deeper understanding of text. For that, we have to rely on deeper natural language analysis techniques that typically would require human effort to annotate a lot of examples of analysis that we'd like to do. And then computers can use machine learning techniques to learn from these training examples to do the task. So in practical applications, we generally combine the two kinds of techniques with the general statistical and methods as a backbone, as the basis, since it can be applied to any text data. And on top of that, we're going to use humans to annotate more data and to use supervised machine learning to do some tasks as well as we can, especially for those important tasks, to bring humans into the loop to analyze text data more precisely. But this course will cover the general statistical approaches that generally don't require much human effort. So they are practically more useful than some of the deeper analysis techniques that require a lot of human effort to annotate the text data. So to summarize this lecture, the main points to take away are first, NLP is the foundation for text mining. So obviously, the better we can understand the text data, the better we can do text mining. Computers today are far from being able to understand the natural language. Deeper NLP requires common sense knowledge and inferences, thus only working for very limited domains, not feasible for large-scale text mining. Shallow NLP based on statistical methods can be done in large scale and is the main topic of this course. And they are generally applicable to a lot of applications. They are in some sense also more useful techniques. In practice, we use statistical NLP as the basis, and we'll have humans to help as needed in various ways.